Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Puan Nur Syuhada. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Azman.
Okay, my name is Alex Liu Chun Wei.
Okay, today we're gonna present about the case study 2. Okay, for the question number 5, we will continue to Alex.
Okay, for number 1, if principle of flexibility applied. For the first, dialogue initiative. Number 2 is customizability. Number 3 is substitutability. Number 4 is multi-threading, and last is task migratability. Okay, next. Okay, for the 1B, the principle of flexibility state on question 1A. Dialogue initiative, freedom from system impose constraint on input dialogue. User initiate dialogue. Okay, for the customizability, modifiability of user interface by the user or system. Okay, user ability to adjust the form of input and output. Okay, substitutability allowing equivalent value of input and output to be substituted for each other. Representation multiplicity, blur the distinction between input and output. For multi-threading, ability of system to support user interaction for several tasks at a time. And last is task migratability, passing responsibility for task execution between user and system. Okay, next.
Okay, for number 2, design space analysis must contain 1 question, 2 option, and 4 criteria. And we're gonna use the how to select the suitable type of user interface design. Okay, for the question, question it said represent major issues of a design, and 2 options, which mean provide alternative solution to the question, and we use 4 criteria, which is the means to access the option in order to make a choice. Okay, for the first option, we use the GUI, which is the graphical user interface, and second one, gesture-based interface. Okay, for the GUI, we use 2 criteria, which mean the lower learning curve and immediate feedback. For the gesture-based interface, we use the grade for marketing strategy and electronic industry.
Okay, for the question 3, the design rule that can be used to improve the interface design. First is robustness. It has characteristics that aid in the achievement and evaluation of the objective. And flexibility refer to the ability of the end user and the system to share information in a variety of ways. And last is learn ability, refer to the component of the interactive system that allow notice users to learn how to use it at first and then attain peak performance. Okay.
Okay, for the number 4, this is the question for number 4, which is which mean I gonna present to you login page, main page, attendance page, and payment page. Okay, this is we call login page. For the first golden rule that applies in this login page, strive for consistent, which means the rainbow and school icon, it stays static at the end of the page. And second one, enable frequent users to use shortcut. We click this button, the circle button, to go to the next page. Other offer error prevention and simple error handling. The user already has the account, If password wrong, it will show wrong password, please try again. And for the number 4, reduce short-term memory load. If we click the remember button, it will automatically fill up the user account. This is the main page. We have the 4 option in the main page. For the attendance page, we're gonna click the button kids attendance, and it will go to next page, which is the attendance page. For the golden rule, it is permit easy reversal of action. We click the triangle button to go to the previous page. For the kids attendance, we're gonna put the day, month, and year, and class. We're gonna choose the class to check the attendance, the kids in class. This is basically the kids in the class. Kid will automatically tick attend when enter the class. We have 4 kids in the class: Muhammad Amir, Aiman, Muhammad Haikal, and Alex. We're gonna continue for the payment page. We're gonna click the payment button. After we click the payment button, it will go to the next page, which is we have monthly and annual. We can we can choose whether you want to pay monthly or annual. It has different choice, RM300 and RM600. After we click, it will show, are you sure you want to continue? You can choose whether you want to continue, or you want to cancel, which is the golden rule: support internal locus of control. User can choose whether to continue the process by click the OK button or cancel. The second one, after we click the OK button, which is the continue button, it will go to the next page, which is payment method. You can choose online pay-in, e-wallet, or credit card. In this case, we're gonna click the credit card. It will show the blue color, which is we already clicked it. After we click the credit card, we can choose whether to use Visa or PayPal, and we're gonna fill up the card number, the expiration date, the card holder's name, and CVV. After we click the confirm, pay your payment, it will pop up the transaction complete successfully. Thank you for your billing. Thank you for the billing. For the this square, it show the offer information feedback. After click pay your payment, the information screen will pop up. And lastly, for the golden rule, design dialog to yield closure, and information screenshot shows what step the user is currently after pay. As the user finish pay the payment, it will shows the text, which is the transaction complete successfully. I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.